How to log into Capitec app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application and make sure that you download this Capitec Bank application on your device. As you can see, I've already installed it. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Capitec app on my device. Now make sure that you have created an account or the online banking system has been used regarding your account number so that you can use the Capitec app over here. Now here in the home page, you can see you have two options. One is to sign in, next is to open an account. Now since you want to log into the Capitec app, you just have to tap on sign in. Then you have two options, either for your personal or myself option or for your business. So tap on myself if you want to use that for your personal or individual banking account. Then tap on get started. As you tap on get started, you just have to enter your account number, your PIN number, verify identity by taking a selfie and start using the app. So tap on continue. And as you tap on continue, you just have to mention your account number over here, then tap on continue and then mention your password or your PIN, and then you'll be able to sign into your Capitec app. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.